Today we're going to talk about Porsche Active Ride in your new Taycan. Porsche Active Ride has the ability to keep the body of the Taycan level at all times, even during dynamic braking, steering, and acceleration. This results in a ride that is incredibly comfortable, even on rough roads. Now let's talk about some of the features you can activate with this system. Here on the PCM, I'm going to click on Vehicle and then switch over to the Comfort tab. And you'll see the first item here, Comfort Entry Height. Now what does this do? It raises the vehicle height as soon as you open the door, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Next you have Active Tilt Control, which allows the Taycan to lean into a turn, much like a motorcycle, to reduce side-to-side G-forces you would normally feel when cornering. For Active Pitch Control, the car will actively counteract the natural forces of acceleration and braking, keeping the car's body from squatting or diving forward. Now it's important to note that Active Tilt and Active Pitch controls are not available in Sport or Sport Plus modes in your Taycan, unless you configure them individually. You can go in, set the chassis mode to normal, and then the Active Pitch and Active Tilt controls will be available in Sport and Sport Plus modes. You now can enjoy Porsche Active Ride controls in your new Taycan.